Conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel is a feature that allows you to change the appearance of cells based on specific conditions. For example, you can format cells to change color or font style if the cell value meets a certain condition, such as being greater than a specified value or falling within a range of values. This can help you quickly identify patterns, trends, and exceptions in your data. Conditional formatting can be accessed from the Styles area in the Home tab. To apply the conditional formatting, first, select the range where you want to apply the conditional formatting. Now select a conditional formatting rule from Conditional Formatting in Home tab. The greater than rule in conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on whether their values are greater than a specified value. You can specify a value in the greater than rule, and all values above that specified value will be highlighted. You can select your desired format from a list of given formats. You can also define your own format, using the Custom Format option. Instead of directly entering a value inside the format rule, you can use a cell reference to set the format rule value. Now, every time when the value changes in reference cell, the condition formatting results will also change. You can clear the existing conditional formatting rules by clicking the Clear Rules button on Conditional Formatting menu. The less than rule in conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on whether their values are less than a specified value. The between rule in the conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on whether their values fall within a specified range. You can use cell references for any of the conditional formatting rules, including the between rules. The equal to rule in the conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on whether their values are equal to a specified value. The text that contains rule in the conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on whether they contain specified text. The A date occurring rule in the conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on a specific date or a range of dates. To test the date occurring rule, let's create a list of dates first. There are various date-specific rules available in the conditional formatting menu, such as conditional formatting of dates based on today, yesterday, tomorrow, etc. The duplicate values rule. The conditional formatting allows you to identify and format cells that contain duplicate or unique values in a specified range. To test the rule, let's create a duplicate value in our range first. OK, there are the two duplicate values. And the rest of values are unique. The top 10 items rule in the conditional formatting allows you to highlight the top specified number of items in a range of values. Similarly, the top 10% items rule in the conditional formatting allows you to highlight the top items in specified percentage. The bottom 10 items rule in the conditional formatting allows you to highlight the bottom specified number of items in a range of values. Similarly, the bottom 10% items rule in the conditional formatting allows you to highlight the bottom items in specified percentage. Above average rule highlights all the items, which are above the average of the selected range. Below average rule highlights all the items, which are below the average of the selected range. Data bars are used to display the bars inside the cells of the selected range, like a bar chart. Data bars can be gradient or solid fill, with different colors. Color scales are used to display the cells in different colors, based on the intensity of the data in the selected range. Icon sets are a type of conditional formatting that allows you to visualize data using symbols or icons, rather than just colors. An icon set is a set of predefined icons, such as traffic lights, arrows, or stars, that can be used to represent different ranges of values in a cell. Icon sets are meant for a small data, but you can also apply them on a larger range. In addition to the predefined rules, you can also define your own customized conditional formatting rule, using the New Rule option in the menu. You can edit, delete, and duplicate the existing rules by using the Manage Rule option in the menu. Here we will duplicate an existing rule, then we will edit that rule, and then we will delete the previous rule using the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. Thanks for watching, and special thanks for liking our videos and subscribing to the channel.